The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from R&R Games. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today I'm going to open up Pyramid Poker. Now this is from R&R Games, and I'd classify this as kind of a light game. You're going to be placing these wooden blocks that have card faces on them, all the different suits and the different numbers, and you're going to be making a pyramid. And then once the pyramid is completed, then you and your opponent are going to be removing blocks, either the ones that you placed or the ones that they placed, and try to make the best poker hands. You're going to have 3 different poker hands, so whoever wins the most poker hands is going to win the game. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Let's see why this is the forbidden game of the pharaohs. Take a look at the back of the box here. So you can see the pyramid being formed. And let's open it up. Okay. So we've got our rule book here. Different languages. So, I mean, it's a pretty simple game. Our board here shows where we put our hands, poker hands, as we remove the blocks from the pyramid, and that shows you the base of the pyramid there. Okay, so we've got our block here. So King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, all the way down to the ace and the wild card. So let's just go ahead and open this up, take a look at it. So there we go. Just go ahead and take this little part out. And you can see, I'm not going to undo all these, but you can see underneath are the clubs and spade suits, and on top we have our diamonds and heart suits there. But these blocks, they're very light, but they're nice and chunky. They look really good. See the design. Some of these other ones here, remove these. All right, so you can see they all go back in the box good. Put this back in here. Actually, I'll remove this little insert that kind of keeps that box in place. There. Put the board back. The rules. So there you have it. That is the unboxing of Pyramid Poker. This is going to be a game that Mom and Dad are going to play fairly soon. So keep an eye on our channel, and we will catch you guys next time. If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.